Capricorn singles, this is Amber with your reading for December 2017. And remember, if you would like to become a member and get extended versions of any of the readings, and that includes all, not just one specifically, become a member, and it's actually $10 for 1 month. It gets lower the more months that you buy, but that's up to you. I'm not pressuring you. If you would like a private reading, those links are still in the description box below. But let's get to your reading, Capricorn singles. Spirit, what do you have for Cancer? I'm sorry. What do you have for Capricorn singles 2017 for December? What do you have for them? What would you like them to know, be aware of, pay attention to at this time? Definitely yours. Interesting. It's different for different people. For some of you, I feel like you are spending the holidays or around this time with someone you care about. This could be a soulmate. I also feel like there's someone that is trying to get in touch with you as well, that thinks that you're their soulmate. I feel like the holidays are bringing people out to you. People are expressing themselves to you because they're realizing how good of a person you are. That they want to be around you. I feel like you spent a lot of time by yourself, building your own, I heard kingdom. Building your own life, your own situation. What it is that you want for yourself. I feel like this is a renegade card. I don't think it goes with anything, so I'm going to sit it there. You definitely have been focused on yourself and your own foundations. And now in December, it seems like you're getting popular. People are trying to get in touch with you. People are trying to get your attention. But you're so used to being by yourself that I feel like you're blocking it out. Like you're worried about what it is these people want from you. Why is everybody being nice? Why is everybody trying to contact me? And I feel like you go back to focusing on your foundations. If you're going to build something with someone, I feel like you're going to start from the bottom up. You're not jumping into love. You're jumping into stability. Very interesting. Because it's like, I hear, if we're going to do this, we're going to do it right. Like, but I feel like you go back to focusing on yourself, your work, your home. It's like, it's okay that you want this attention from me. I'm not going to drop everything just to pay attention to you or just to be with you. That's what I'm getting. Like, you hear what they're saying, you understand what they're saying, and that's really nice. It's like a bundle of emotions. It's like, oh, this is just because the holidays. You're not gonna let yourself cry wolf or cry soulmate or twin flame right now. I don't see that this month. This feels very logical. Let me do numerology really quickly. I'm getting two sets because one without the card and one with the card. So it's about you becoming, you're becoming more aware of what others want from you. I feel like you're choosing to deal with people even though you know certain things about them. For example, you could meet somebody and you know that this person is not someone you want to keep in your life, or they always ask you for money, but you still give it to them because you care, even though you know they might be using you. It's like you consciously are making the decision to do that, and this is what this is about. It's like you're consciously thinking about your balance with others, what you're nurturing. You're getting a higher understanding of what it means. And this is why I feel like you're shifting people out by thinking about their foundations, or feeling, trying to figure out how their foundations will be with you. It's not necessarily about love as much as it's about what you're carrying with you. So I feel like all these people are around, and it's not about how they make you feel. It's just about what they can bring to you, because you are building something for yourself. You're not going to allow people or someone to come in who aren't on that same level as you are. Yep. Okay, Capricorn singles, let's see what is in your spread, because that felt really intense. Okay. Capricorn singles, Spirit, what do you have for Capricorn singles for December 2017? What would you like them to know, be aware of, pay attention to at this time? This is like exactly what I was telling you. Okay. On the bottom of the deck, you have the Four of Wands. This talks about foundations. This is you building foundations, building stability, building a celebratory situation. Okay, I feel like you want steady foundations in your life. This could also be a party. This could be the holidays. Okay, so I feel like there's a sense of joy for December. Even though all the stuff I'm about to tell you, I don't want to put a negative tone on it because you have the Four of Wands. And this talks about joy and celebration and having a good time and things like that, okay? So I don't want you to think that this is negative. So this is you putting an end to something, okay? Something is coming to an end. So you feel free, okay? I feel like you have ended a lot of things in your past. A lot of stress, a lot of emotions, a lot of thoughts, a lot of old issues, okay, that you have been circling in, going in and out of for the year, actually. I don't feel like this is a specific energy. This feels like for the year. And now you're brand new. I feel like you're brand new. You feel free. You can do anything you want, and you're choosing the things you want to put in your life. You're choosing the things you want there. Okay? And that's where you are right now. There may also be a young fire sign as well that you thought the situation was over with. I have to say that. Okay? So then you have the Magician. This is you coming into your own power when it comes to your joy and your happiness. It's not about anyone else. It's about yours. And I feel like you've been doing that for a while. This is not going to be the first month that you're doing it. But you're understanding that your joy, you have the power to make yourself happy. It's not about others. It's about you, okay? You choose. You can go to a party and have fun. You don't have to have someone there with you. You don't have to have a boyfriend. You don't have to have a girlfriend, okay? In the center of the reading, you have the Knight of Cups. There may be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces that's coming from your past. I'm also feeling like there could be many offers, okay? And they just seem very loving, or everybody's trying to get you emotionally, okay? But if this is a water sign, this is someone that you feel a bond with, I feel, okay? And I'm hearing that they didn't make a choice for you in the past. It's not that they didn't make a choice. They had someone else they had to deal with, okay? And I feel like you moved past whatever this energy is, or this could just be you moving past the energy of being in a hard situation with anyone. But I really feel like it's centered around this Knight of Cups, okay? This love offer, or this Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Excuse me. And I feel like you were strong. It took a lot of strength for you to do this, a lot of courage to deal with this person, or to even hold on to them. That's what I get. To seem uninterested in them. It took a lot of strength for you to do that, because you think about this person. Now, either you're going to try to bring up the past, or they're going to try to bring up the past because of a bond. There's a bond being felt here. And I feel like you're ready to move forward in that energy. So like I said, there is a choice. Someone takes a risk. And it's up to you to accept or take the risk as well. Okay? Whether you're on the receiving end or the giving end. And there comes clarity here, which means that there's a conversation or an epiphany, okay, about this person and about their feelings. And they tell you what happened in the past, possibly with a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And I feel like you feel good about it. This to me tells me that you're nurturing something that will last. You're being practical about something that you want in the physical. So I feel like you're trying to actually build something with this person. It's almost like you weren't talking and then you start talking again. It goes from uninterested, meeting, setting foundations. Like it goes really strictly like this. And it's about having confidence in the bond that you have. Either they need to realize or you need to realize that there is a sort of bond that you all have. And you're going to realize this when you meet up again or see each other again. It all ends on you or them paying attention to what's in front of them, accepting or giving a love offer, and taking a risk. There needs to be some risk taking for sure. Okay? They're moving on past worry or hard times. Okay? So if you would like the extended version of this reading, I'll be more than happy to do that for you as a member. Click on the link in the description box below. I'm also still doing private readings as well. That link is in the description box below. I love you very much. Love and light.